So it is day 4 in North Montana. Today we are hanging out in Whitefish, and we just cooked literally thousands of pancakes on the Blackstone Griddle. That's a wrestling team locally, a high school team, and they have this really cool pancake breakfast that they do every year to raise money. It's a fundraiser. So we came out and shot some video with Todd Toven and literally cooked thousands of pancakes. It's insane. Super, super fun. This is a really fun community. If you've never been to these really tiny, like awesome Montana communities, they're really, really wonderful. I kind of want to live here, but I'm a Florida boy. I can't deal with frozen tundra. Winter for me is like 30 degrees for like 2 days. So there's that. Anyway, this has been such a fun trip. We've got one more day of shooting. I'm tired. I'm gonna sleep good. I'll see you in the morning.